Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. On this channel, I'll be dropping easy to follow recipes. In this video, I'm making for you a sliced fruit platter, step by step, right after this. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Chef Karl from Cooking and Grilling with Karl. And I'm at my job and I'm gonna make a quick fruit and cheese display for y'all. Alright? So I'm just laying everything out on the table. So I'm using blueberries, honeydew, blackberries, pineapple, cantaloupe, and a watermelon. So here's the platters that I'm going to use. This and this one right here. And I'm also going to be using a little bit of lettuce. And this is going to go in the middle. Start off with my watermelon. So I just got to scoop the seeds out. Alright, so there you have it, a fruit and cheese display. Well, I'm sorry, a fruit display. This is actually for a meeting that's happening at my job. And so I just feel, like I said, you know what, let me record myself making it. Maybe this will help somebody out. So if you follow the techniques that I use, but at the end of the day, it's all about color. So if you just take, you know, even if you just cut the pineapple in chunks, the honeydew in chunks, the watermelon in chunks, and just keep them separated, and then, you know, a pile of honeydew, a pile of pineapple, a pile of watermelon, and then start again and keep the colors going in unison. And then just put some strawberries, some blackberries, some blueberries, and something else that I like to use that I don't have, but it's purple edible orchids. And you put those around, and that gives it a nice color, you know. And even if you don't do, you know, like, you know, the bird is just something I did just to give it that wow factor, but you don't have to do that. You can take a pineapple. Cut this part off, and just put this in the middle. You understand? Or just cut the bottom off so it sits flat, and just put this in the middle and put some stuff around it. But I'll be doing more videos like this to show y'all more of different ways to do fruit platters and cheese platters, crudité, stuff like that. On that note, it's your boy Karl Robinson, Chef Karl from Cooking and Growing with Karl. Let me see if I can get me in the So once again, thanks for coming to this channel and checking out another video. This is Chef Karl from Cooking and Growing with Karl. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You know, let your people know about the channel. Hit that notification bell. Give a thumbs up. Also check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Karl on Facebook, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. Alright, so definitely smash that like button. On that note, I say go forth in victory. God bless. Peace.